I recently had the opportunity to add a new plasma cutter to my collection of machines. New to me, it's a used unit that was priced well. Now it's slightly larger than the Cutmaster 51 I currently employ, which is rated to 3/8 inch. This Miller unit is rated to 7/8 inch production cuts and has a 1 1/8 inch severance rating. Now if I was going to go buy a brand new plasma cutter today off the showroom floor, between you and me, it probably wouldn't be a Miller, but taking into consideration the fact that I've had good luck with all of my Miller equipment, I decided to roll the dice on this unit. Alright, let's see if this thing will power up. Alright, that's promising. Let's pull this case off and we'll see what it looks like on the inside. You go ahead and unplug it. Alright, yeah, you can see it is a little bit of an older unit. Got some yellowing on the air lines here. There's slight discoloration on some of the electrical components due to heat buildup, typical for a machine of this age. Can't believe how tight that is on there. Seems nuts. There it goes. Yeah, let's get our new one in. The air-water separator is hidden inside of the unit and it actually drains through a hole in the bottom. One last thing I want to do before we power this thing up and actually cut with it is I just want to quick blow all of this stuff off while we have the case open. So I'm going to grab the air compressor hose and we'll blow that out. Now before I jump into any type of used machine, some things I always like to consider before pulling the trigger would be the cost of torch consumables as well as the availability of said torch consumables and other replacement parts. Now this unit is right on that borderline of having accessible replacement parts available, but it does have a variety of consumables still available. Alright, that's 3/16. Let's get some big stuff. Okay, this is 3/4 and this is half. Got a little bit of acetone here on a rag just to take off some of this paint overspray. And then I've got a little bit of restoration polish for a car. And let's see if we can bring this back to life a little bit. Give it a little bit of dignity back. So the top of this thing was really bad. I'm just going to go over it real quick with SOS pad. And instead of water on the SOS pad, I just put a little bit of rubbing alcohol. It'll cut right through that grease. Yeah, that thing looks a million times better just cutting the grease. So that unit also came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tank caps. Not that I needed any more, but there's 5. My immediate plans are to run both of these units until this new Miller machine has completely earned my confidence. Then I will consider selling my older Cutmaster, and I should be able to recoup the investment of the new machine. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.